Thought I was good on my own, I was alright. Thought I was grown and the strangers I'd known, they were alright. Thought that I knew everything, never wrong, I was alright. Oh, I was good on my own, I was alright. Oh, I lived a whole life thinking I knew how my heart could handle love. Love, I thought I knew. Everything before us was stretching out my heart just so it could be big enough to beat for two. Never understood why people always say love chooses you, but now I do, now I do. Didn't ever think that I could ever say I promise you, but now I do, now I do, now I do.
This is the road we can see where it goes together. You were my home and I know I can stay forever.
Oh, I lived a whole life thinking I knew how my heart could handle love. Love, I thought I knew. Everything before us was stretching out my heart just so it could be big enough to beat for two. Never understood why people always say love.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroom.com. So this is actually an example of a custom wedding choreography that we created for 2 of our clients here. So if you want us to create a special dance for your song, go ahead and check out our packages. We have 2 programs in the description box below. This choreography is also now available for purchase, already curated, just as you see here, and you can learn it step by step. You can check that out as well. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.
Used to be a time when I thought that I had nothing to lose.